Hey lads, TechScanning here. So after the launch of its multiple devices, including the most awaited Pixel Fold, Google's next focus will be on its Pixel 8 series smartphones. And it's no wonder in the case of Google that their upcoming smartphones get leaked even months before the launch date. So the same happened to the Pixel 8 Pro that is likely to launch later this year. One of the most trusted leakers, Cuba, shared a hands-on video of Pixel 8 Pro revealing the complete design of the handset alongside a unique feature. So the Pixel 8 Pro can be seen in line with the renders shared by the popular leaker OnLeaks around 2 months ago. I have a video on that, so have a look at that too. As we can see, the rear panel design on the Pixel 8 Pro is very much similar to its predecessor. However, the 3 cameras on the Pixel 8 Pro are closely located in a single pill-shaped cutout. While on the front, the biggest change here, surprisingly the Pro model will now sport a flat display instead of the curved one. But what is more surprising, that below the flashlight, the Pixel 8 Pro will feature a dedicated infrared thermometer sensor that will be able to measure the body temperature as shown in the leaked video. As we can see, Google made it super easy to use, so before starting you just need to point the sensor closer to your forehead and slowly move the phone towards your temple. Within 5 seconds it will pull out the results. Since we mostly carry the smartphone with us during the whole day, so it will be a pretty quick solution to keep a check on your health. Let me know what are your thoughts about this feature in the comment section below. While most of the information about the Pixel 8 Pro is under wraps, however, we are likely to see a huge improvements in its camera department. The Pixel 8 Pro is set to sport the 50 megapixel ISOCELL GN2 camera sensor. It is Samsung's biggest camera sensor yet, with a size of 1/1.12 inches, that is nearly 1 inches. So a good upgrade over the Pixel 7 Pro's primary camera, which has a size of 1/1.31 inches. This means Pixel 8 Pro camera will offer better performance in low light as well as daylight photography. Further, we are expected to see the whole Pixel 8 series will be powered by the Google's own Tensor G3 chipset. So, what do you think about the Pixel 8 Pro design? Especially share your thoughts on the idea of a thermometer sensor on a smartphone. Of course, I will keep you updated for any latest updates on the Google Pixel 8 series, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.